Hey everybody, this is John Plantek, and I haven't done a video in a super long time. This is Copper Cube. This is the professional version. Not really a tutorial as of yet. I am working on one. Just working on kind of the finishing touches of, yes, I still have been working on my project game. In the background, off and on. I work and I take night classes, so when I can, I work on this project, and I intend to publish it relatively pretty soon. Hold on. But not on Copper Cube per se. It will have a release, a demo release, like I keep saying, in HTML and a small little Android demo that I will release and everybody can play. Just setting up an animated scene because everybody likes animated scenes. This is where an alien cruiser will come in and greet the scientist at the space station after they destroy, of course, the human defensive frigate. That will just be like, oh, we did. So this is the alien frigate. It's from a Unity pack. I'll link it down below. But I actually really liked it, and it was like $5. I was like, oh, you know what? I like that. I really do like this. So we have this alien ship. And it's an Holotech heavy cruiser. We're going to go to behavior. We're going to hit the plus. We're going to go to scripted. Actually, we're not going to go to scripted. We're going to go fly along path. And path 1. It's reversed. Time needed. Well, I messed that one up. Look into path. Stop and do action. Dun dun dun. Okay. Can we rotate this path and just fix it? Rotate path. Move path. You could just see me mess up in real time. But it has a whole bunch of nodes, so we should be able to fix this, hopefully. So fly along this path. The human cruiser will also fly along a similar path. Actually, let's go to that ship. Oh, wrong ship. That ship. Fly along path. Start again. Okay. So it is rotated the wrong way. So that's something I need to fix. So let's go to the path. No, let's go to the. We have to go to the ship. We have to go to behavior. I'll have to add off the shuttle. We're going to call it frigate. Heavy cruiser. We'll go to path. Behavior. Start again. Path. Behavior. Attributes. Is closed circle. No, we're good. Reserve, follow path. Visible. Start again. Path. Attributes. Okay, you know what? We're going to delete this and do this again. Behavior. For the heavy cruiser, follow path. Okay, so we're going to create a path. Okay, and then we're going to tell this ship, we're going to make it sort of long so we have some place to go. We're going to say follow path 1. Okay, so we know that's the start and it ends there. Okay, so we're going to take this path, we're going to take this node, and we're going to go, oh, no, you're going to go all the way to behind the badly 3D modeled jump gate. Boom. Okay, cool. And then what we're going to do, we're going to select this, the path. Take a node, add node, add node. We're going to take this node and we're going to edit. We're going to make this path a little bit more interesting. Boom, boom. Follow path 1. Look into motion. There we go. I did some additional rotation because it looked like it was rotated wrong. There we go. So I'm going to take this node, I'm going to lower it because we need to go from a high vantage point down to the space station. We're going to add a node. Add a node. This is how add a node is supposed to work. Okay, and at some point we need to create a path, probably the straight path zone, to where the Terran or Earth shuttle, or not shuttle, small frigate is like in defensive mode and just gets obliterated. Because we think we are like super awesome, and then we are like, oh shoot, we have issues. Oop, I am pointing it in the wrong direction. Okay, so we need to delete that node and transition this node. Actually, what we could do Okay, that's... and it just gets lower and lower and lower as it seeks through. So it's snaking its way to the space station. And then I just need to... I need to add another node because it's a little bit too bumpy for me. Add path. And then it will literally just be like, hi guys, how's your day going? Oop. Oh, I don't like that right there. That is way too wavy. Need to delete that bit. So it's like it does notice the frigate and then it just goes, gets destroyed. It's like it does have a priority. It is enter the zone, see what is in the zone, acknowledge that the frigate is a target, and then take it out. And then the behavior, and then we're going to take a look at the heavy cruiser, follow path. Look at the movement, we're going to remove that. Okay, we're going to re-add that on. Follow path, look in the movement. Okay, that means here we go. So I need it to stop. So shuttle, attributes, path. There we go. Behavior. No. Cruiser. Follow path. Stop. Not stop and do action. Yeah, stop and do action. Well, hold on. And then we're going to set this to do 20, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to kind of maybe 15,000 seconds. $10,000? Let's make that, let's let that go down a little bit further down. Let's go back to 20,000 seconds. follow path. Time needed is going to be 16, 1, 2, 3. So on the longer rails without as many nodes, it does speed up. Boom. Behavior. So what we're going to do now is go to the heavy cruiser. We're going to go behavior follow path. We're going to set this to stop, start again, and no, this stop and do action. Okay. And then so what we're going to now do is we're going to have this bad guy, or this good guy, or the Earthship, be like, oh, no, 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 no. Because we have this little Terran Earth defender, and then we have alien ship. So what it will do is that it will follow its path up. And then on the way, it will just get eradicated. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on that, we're going to path. So it's going to create a path, and then we're going to set this path basically where the ship is, because I like where the ship is. So we're going to take the location attributes, we're going to go to position, we're going to copy that position, we're going to go to this path node, and we're going to set its location. Yeah, it's, here we go. Okay, and we're going to set this ship behavior. We're going to say behavior effect follow a path, path 2. Okay, so that's going to be okay. Now we just need to see this. The difference between this type of engine and Coppercube. This is not a bad engine. This is the Coppercube and like Unity. I mean like game engines, yes, but two different types of like easiness. This is easy, but it's also tedious in the fact that I have to like node these. While in Coppercube, I have seen easier ways of doing this. So we're going to select the ship. We're going to go to behavior, path, look into path. And yeah, start again, because I would like to just have you follow this ship's path, basically. So we're going to go path. Oh, no, delete. So select that node. Path node. Yeah, I'm just going to say this. I don't think this engine's getting a whole lot more updates. Path node. I think when the Unity was having its issues, it was receiving like some love. I think it's been open sourced. I think. Path node. So I'm going to have it follow a similar path, but not a path node. Path node. There you go. probably one more. There we go. And I'm going to have this ship go a little bit slower. We're going to have start again. Obviously, it would go with when you published it. So let's do that right now, and then watch, see what happens. So I think it might have crashed. Well, the executable, because I am running this on a HP, like little one of those like HP, not HP, Windows like tablet Pro 4 thing. So while it is like cool and everything, it's an older one. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm just going to create, oh, here we go. So at this point, it's looking up, so I'm going to create, not select, create a plane. And what this will do is that I'm going to create it large enough, so I need to scale it. Create, select, polygon editing, scale. Oh, select. No. Scale. There we go. That's scale. So we're going to make it large. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to attributes. We're going to go to rotation. We're going to rotate it. We're going to rotate this bad boy 90 degrees. Wrong 90 degrees. I keep doing that. Here we go. Move. Okay. And then I'm just going to make this very transparent with like a little bit of color, so we can see through it. Here we go, like a little fog. There we go. And then we just need to place it, because this will be a trigger. And setting. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to set it because then the alien ship will shoot out a particle beam, and I need it at the correct zone. Okay, I think they're at 2 different times. So I'm just going to have to create it and then modify it, because it's going to be an in-game action. So it's going to be on this, do this. Okay, so just make sure that this particle plane is, there we go. So right there. Okay. And so, when it does do this, the ship will shoot out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play test it as I'm going to have a cylinder, or I'm just going to have it just shoot out a particle to act like a beam weapon and to hit the human ship, and then the human ship will just, go down in a pile of flames. And then, this is for an animated intro. And then the shuttle, the space station will be like, oh, buckets of salsa, and activate their superhuman warrior as they try to defend themselves against the alien invasion. Because they're like, oh, we're just scientists. This is gonna be fun. And then that's where the intro is. And then you'll skip to a camera scene. As soon as it stops saving, because I'm also running a screen recorder at like the best frame rate and like video quality that it can do. It's a fast screen recorder, so it's not like the best, but I'm pretty sure it's like, I'm going bananas. And then we need to have a good shot of the alien ship inside the view when it stops. So we're going to save. And we're going to see if it can do it in HTML. Okay, so what we'll do is when it finishes saving it again, is I will switch it over to HTML exportation to see if we can get it to run. I'll do some editing so you guys aren't waiting 30 minutes. And then what I'll do is I will just have it go to on behavior. Go path 1. Heavy cruiser. Follow a path. Stop and do action. We're gonna do game sound. Change position. No. Game sound. Variables and tests. Change active camera, new camera, select. Camera, active 1, okay. Okay. Publish, HTML, play. Writing file, this might take a bit. And this is just the current camera scene. This isn't any specialty camera scene. And then there's the alien ship. And then there's the other one reacting, or so going through its scene. So, okay. So this is the end scene that we're going to see before going into the end game of the inside of what the NPCs or scientists are doing. So I think I'll leave it here. Okay. So I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to end this, edit it, upload it for you guys, and then we'll work on the whole laser scene, where it sends out a blast of plasma or laser or phaser or whatever it is, and then it will challenge the station to be like, "Hi guys," and then you as the super soldier gets to defend the space station from an alien invasion attack. Okay, here we go. And then stop.